In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Cosmic Byte keyboard software. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, hover over categories, and click on gaming keyboards. Now, inside gaming keyboards here, you first must find the keyboard you own, or of course the keyboard you want to download the software for. So for example, I'm going to click on this one over here. And then you want to scroll down a bit, and then just below these images over here, you'll be able to see it's going to say overview and then software/driver download. Click on that, and here up top it says software download link, and then just click on this yellow download link. It's going to download the software for you onto your computer, so inside a zip folder, and you want to open up your downloads folder, where usually it's where it's going to save, and then you want to click on it, the zipper, right click, and then extract all, and then click on extract. Now, whenever you do that, it's going to give you a separate folder which doesn't have a zipper anymore. Double click it, and in here you can see this is now the software, and to actually install it, simply you have to double click on that, follow the installation process, which is usually quick and simple, and there we go, you have yourself your keyboard software for Cosmic Byte. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.